Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we will continue with our manga. So we go to the right side and we start with a little insult. I will not translate that, but you know what it means. And we go to the next one. Hey, es ist schon echt lange her, als wir alle das letzte Mal zusammen waren. Let's check out the verbs first as usual. Ist, to be. Waren, past tense, also to be. Schon means, in this case, already. Echt is not an adjective here, it's an adverb. It means like really, but the adjective comes after, lange, long, and then we have her. This is a nice pattern, but it's not easy to translate into another language. Her sein means actually to has been time. I put it here on the left side so you can see it. For example, you can ask, wie lange ist es her? This means, how long has it been? Depending on where you're from, maybe you have a similar expression. You can leave it in the comments below. I would like to read it. So he doesn't say it as a question. He says it as a sentence. So he says, hey, it's been quite or really a long time already. And then we continue. Als, in this case, it's like when. Wir, we, alle, all of us, or we all. Das letzte Mal, letzte is again in blue, it's an adjective. Last. And now we have a little typo here, and we have our only noun in the sentence. Das Mal is the time, not the time clockwise, but a time. How many times have you been in Europe or something like that? And zusammen means together. Hey, it's been quite a long time already that we all have been together. Since we all have been together. The since here, we don't have it like a typical since, which in German is seit, but he makes it obvious with the last time. It's been a while or long time that we have been since the last time we've been together. This is what he wants to say. Next one. Lasst uns irgendwo zusammen chillen. Lassen, to let, chillen, to chill. Irgendwo means somewhere. Zusammen, we just had it. About the vocabulary lassen and the grammar, I had another video. You can check it out if you want. So he wants to say, let us chill somewhere together. This was easier. Next one. Sorry, hab keine Zeit. This should be really easy. Haben, to have. Of course, it's a short version. Actually, you would say habe, ich habe with an I, but this is also okay. Die Zeit, female, the time. Sorry, I have no time. I don't have time. Next one. Aber demnächst werdet ihr mich wieder in der Schule sehen. Werden, in this case for future tense, sehen, to see, something or somebody. Die Schule, the school. The only thing that should be new is the little word here, demnächst. Demnächst is just another expression for soon. We have other synonyms, of course, like bald, for example, but demnächst is also a really nice way to say it. It's not youth language or strange or anything. Demnächst. But soon you will see me again, wieder, in school. Okay, and then they are tall and yeah, and stuff like that. We can go to the next one. Okay, so let's read. Sag mal, bilde ich mir das ein oder distanziert sich Yuji immer mehr von uns? Here we have an opening verb, einbilden, and we need mir because it's reflective. Einbilden in this case means to imagine something. Sich distanzieren, to distance oneself, and here we need to distance yourself from somebody. This is where we have von uns. I give you the pattern in a second. Immer mehr means more and more. And we have oder, which is a typical or, A or B. Do you like coffee or tea? Magst du Kaffee oder Tee? It's really typical for a question of choice. And the last one here in the beginning, he says, sag mal. I had this before, this kind of grammar. It means like, tell me, but it's more for introducing a thought. So he wants to say, tell me, am I imagining it? Or is Yuji distancing himself more and more from us? It looks a little hard because the patterns are really long. Let me write it down for you. Okay, sich etwas einbilden. To imagine something. And the second one, sich von jemandem distanzieren. Sich, because the person that is distancing is the same subject as the object. He distanced himself. So we have sich von jemandem, from someone or somebody, and we need dative here. In this case, it is uns, but I can give another example. If he would have said, is he distancing himself from him, then it would be von ihm. Okay, just for as example. So it is dative. Next one. Sag das nicht so. Bei ihm ist momentan viel los. Sagen, to say. And of course we have the nicht, not say. Don't say it like that, so. Don't say it so. And the second part, to be, ist momentan. I think you can guess it. It's at the moment. Viel los means a lot. And los in this case is going on or ongoing. If you say it like this, like los, like this, it means like, let's go, do it, you know, it's like an emphasis, let's go, or do it, los. So, los sein, es ist viel los, a lot of things are going on. So, don't say that, he has many things going on at the moment. Bei ihm means, in this case, in English, with him. There's lots of things going on with him. But in German, it's more like at. But don't let it confuse you. Ihr wisst ja, nen Vater hat nicht wirklich und seine Mutter hat sich vor 3 Wochen auf der Arbeit verletzt. This is a long one, but not really hard. Wissen, to know. Haben, to have. Hat sich verletzt. To have been hurt. You can see the sich here, and I think slowly but surely you understand that verbs that are reflecting back to the subject need a sich. In English, we would say to hurt yourself. Here we have the sich. Then we check out the nouns. I think everything should be clear. Der Vater, male of course, the father, die Mutter, female, the mother, die Woche, the week, die Arbeit, the work. Ja is for emphasis. We had this topic before. It's really hard to translate, but actually he wants to say, you know, a father he doesn't really have. Wirklich, it's like really. And his mother did hurt herself 3 weeks ago, vor 3 Wochen, auf der Arbeit. In English, you would say at work. And the last one, seitdem macht einen Nebenjob, das fehlende Geld reinzuholen. The comma is missing here, but that's okay. So, machen, to do something. Reinholen, I give you the infinitive here. To bring in or to get in, to get something in. Der Nebenjob, it's like the side job. Das Geld, the money. Fehlend, the missing money. Seitdem, since then. So altogether, since then, he has or he does a side job to get the missing money in. The it's a really important grammar point, is the meaning of to do something. And we need a zu at the verb, which is like B1 grammar. And I hope by reading it, you will understand what it means. So since then, he's working to get the missing money in, or to bring the missing money into the house.